We're at my favorite store. Y'all see it? Do y'all see it? Y'all see it? So exciting. Let's see what they got here today.
I don't even know I am here. You've been so distant lately, taking your time, losing my mind. Yeah, do I even care anymore? Taking my love for granted, thinking about us turning to dust. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out. I wonder what will happen to us. Yeah, will we be friends or strangers? Feeling left out, losing our time. I miss how you make me laugh, how you make me lose my mind. You make my life every day. You said that I already know we're better when we're alone. I don't know what to say. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up, baby. Is this really what you want? Then I'ma get out of your way. You don't wanna be with me, I don't wanna give it up.
So why are we here? We are here to look for a couch. Because the one that we saw on Wayfair is gone because I took too long to make a decision. And I got nixed on that on our podcast. Don't forget to go over to DAT Married Life and check out our podcast. We did, our last episode was 18 lessons we have learned in 18 years. And so we're looking for a couch because I waited too long to answer for Wayfair. Yeah, their stuff is always low. I like that table. Yeah. She's looking at you. I said she's looking at you. Everything will have to be silver. I don't like gold.
This is the original side.
New York, I see your name.
Give my life to someone else, go ruin my night. I don't wanna give it up tonight. I don't wanna give my life to someone else, go ruin my night. You know the drama is never ending. Don't let it get the best of you. And all the fake friends just keep pretending. That's how the little things get
So if you don't know, we're at Ikea right now. I'm gonna take over the vlogging for a bit, yeah?
You will take over the vlog?
Just for a bit.
Okay.
Oh my god, the locals are staring. So you see, this is me, Mamie, and then we got, you know, dad and then little sister. No. Excuse me? I love your hair. You're welcome. Tea. That tea looks good. Who? Looks good. Over there? What's over there? This is tea? Yeah. We got cherry blossom. Me and Mamie are tea fiends and candle fiends. We just love it. It's an addiction. Yeah, it's an addiction. Yes, I'm eating gum. This is coffee, girl. We don't drink coffee. Where did mom go? How's she over? Is that the thingy? The thing that stirs stuff.
Yeah. There's no batteries in it, so it's not working.
That's so cool. How much is it? $2?
Where you keep it? Right here.
I might get it.
If you want it, here you go.
I don't know. Should I get it? This thing stirs stuff for you, and it does it really fast. Froth. I'm not. I'm sorry. Mom, we got the first item. The frother.
Okay.
I need some chopsticks. That's so cute. I want some chopsticks.
Oh, okay.
That's what I need. Maybe we should do wooden dishes instead. I probably have wood. Okay, well, I'm gonna be off the camera now because I hate it. The devil. Chopsticks. So we get them. Yeah.
I like the wooden, but then I'll be scared. Well, they have to be hand washed. You can't put them in a dishwasher.
Okay.
Like,
That'll save water bill.
But it's so funny. But they're cute though. Like these little bowls.
I'm down to save money.
Like these bowls are really cute. Y'all see? And these are my perfect size. But you can't put them.
Yeah, so wash them. I don't see the issue.
I don't think you could put them into the thing.
Maybe she found chopsticks.
Yeah.
Stop chopsticks. This is okay, but I got one.
So I know they're serving bowls. The whole set.
That's why I want a bowl. You can get a small bowl with it?
You just want one bowl?
Yeah, it's kind of small. I'm gonna get you two just in case one's like in a washer.
Just don't put them in the washer.
Yeah.
Your dad gonna be like, what is y'all doing? It's so pretty.
This is gonna be my favorite screen. This is one of my favorite. No pictures.
We're actually here for sheets. For Ezekia
I'm using the
sheets.
candles.
He went to the candles already?
Yeah, we got all our food.
We gotta get sheets.
Put your rose-colored glasses on. What if we stay right here? Make everything disappear. Lay low in the beaching sun. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah. Put your rose-colored glasses on. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's a good life. Sitting on the front porch, sipping on the rocks. Citrus in our beverages. Citrus in our beverages. Show only the good sides. Always pretty smiles are covering her faces. You know it is all lies. You know it is all lies. Hey, would you rather sit right here? Make everything disappear. You play my favorite song. Put your rose-colored Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the darkness in me lingers. Was praying for possibilities, lately it got the best of me, yeah. You got the best of me, embracing our insecurities. Better to cry and set us free, yeah. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. And I've done my part, no reason left to keep you. Let the thought of us wither. Nothing left but all our pictures. Was praying for possibilities, lately you got the best of me, yeah. Yeah. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. And I. Cross my heart, I never meant to hurt you, but now you're slipping through my fingers as the bad inside me lingers. Oh no. We're running out of space between good and bad. Running out of words to apologize. Nothing left to say between you and I. You and I. And I. You and I. And I. Driving round in California, looking for something to make me stay. Round and round forever, searching for something that could never get replaced. Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm just so sick of waiting for any luck to come my way. Yeah. Feel good, be good, stay good, and live good. If I could feel good, I'd live good, I'd die good.
I'm an odd person, I run in dark circles. I would love a long life, cause I love how life's worthless. I'ma paint purple, cause blue's overrated. We all outdated, we all so jaded. We all lost love like love's our savior. It's a dark place when it's all about the paper. Counting pretty cards before they deal you something heinous. I've been steady sitting on my ass. I'm so contemporaneous, in love with my behavior. But really I could probably try and be something greater. Okay, I'm my favorite, you could tell me something different, but I probably wouldn't listen. No, I probably wouldn't listen. The word, that's the ego, scared it's taking over. But fuck it if it's fun to run my tongue up on these road fronts. But I know I could lose it all if I'm not careful. I sound scared, hope you feel that my heart's there though.
Don't need you to save me, but I just really need to be saved. I'm Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby. Want you all night long, want you all night long. Tell me, why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you, and I just can't be without you, baby.
Okay, you guys, so this visit to IKEA is coming down to a close. I want to thank you so much for watching this video and spending time with us, because time is precious. As always, we are the family that loves life and having fun, and give you the motivation and inspiration that you need to live your life abundantly with God's love. We will see y'all on the tube. Peace out, y'all. Enjoy to the rest of the video.
Why'd you have to go and drive me so crazy? Now I'm feeling lost without you,